If you are in your 20s and you think you have time to think about money later, this video might be the most important thing you watch this year. Because the mistakes I am going to show you today are costing lakhs of rupees to millions of Indians, and most of them don't even know it. Stay till the end, because mistake number 5 is the one nobody talks about. Welcome. In this channel, we talk about simple money tips for everyday Indians. No complicated jargon. No confusing finance terms. Just clear, practical advice you can use starting today. Let's get into the 5 biggest money mistakes Indians make in their 20s. Mistake number 1, and this is the most common one. Spending your entire salary first and trying to save whatever is left. Here is the truth. If you wait to save what is left at the end of the month, nothing will be left. The fix is simple. It is called pay yourself first. The moment your salary hits your account, transfer at least 20% to a separate savings account. Treat it like a bill you have to pay. If your salary is 30,000 rupees, that is just 6,000 rupees per month. In 1 year, that is 72,000 rupees saved without doing anything else differently. That one habit alone changes everything. Mistake number 2, having zero emergency fund. Most people in their 20s live paycheck to paycheck. So when something unexpected happens, a medical bill, a job loss, a vehicle breakdown, they either take a loan or borrow from family. An emergency fund is simply 3 to 6 months of your expenses kept in a liquid account, not in stocks, not in a fixed deposit, in a simple savings account where you can withdraw anytime. If your monthly expenses are 15,000 rupees, your emergency fund target is just 45,000 to 90,000 rupees. Start with a goal of 10,000 rupees. Build from there. This one fund removes 90% of financial stress. Mistake number 3, telling yourself I will start investing when I earn more. This is the most expensive mistake of all because of one word: compounding. If you invest just 1,000 rupees per month starting at age 22, by age 45 you will have around 15 to 18 lakhs, assuming 12% annual returns. But if you wait till 30 to start the same SIP, you will have only around 7 to 8 lakhs by age 45. Same money, same investment. But starting 8 years later costs you nearly 10 lakhs. That is the price of waiting. Start a SIP today. Even 500 rupees a month on Grow or Zilda is enough to begin. Mistake number 4, using a credit card like free money. Credit cards are not free money. They are one of the most expensive loans available. If you spend 20,000 rupees on a credit card and pay only the minimum due every month, the bank charges you interest of 3 to 3.5% per month. That is 36 to 42% per year. On 20,000 rupees, that becomes 7,000 to 8,000 rupees in interest charges in just 1 year. The rule is simple. Never spend on a credit card what you cannot pay in full that month. Used correctly, credit cards give you rewards and cash back. Used incorrectly, they trap you in debt for years. And mistake number 5, the one nobody talks about, not tracking where your money actually goes. Most people have no idea how much they spend on food, on subscriptions, on random online shopping every month. And you cannot fix what you do not measure. You do not need an expensive app. Open a simple Notes app or Google Sheets. Every day, just write down what you spent. Takes 2 minutes. At the end of the month, look at the total. You will be shocked. Most people find 3,000 to 5,000 rupees worth of completely unnecessary spending just by doing this for 30 days. That money, invested every month, becomes lakhs over 10 years. So to quickly recap, the 5 money mistakes to avoid in your 20s. 1. Spending first, saving later. 2. No emergency fund. 3. Waiting too long to invest.